students, I welcome you to all our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming video. Students, I have already promised to you to complete your syllabus. I have completed your syllabus and this is all a revisionary series. This is fourth revisionary series. In my last sessions, I have discussed about Chapter 3 Decimal Expressions. Today in this sessions we will discuss about exponents and power. Chapter 4 about exponents and power. Suppose, what do you mean by exponent? Suppose I have written x to the power n. Here the x is the base and n is the exponent. Here x is the base and n is the exponents. Suppose I represent 4 square. Here 4 is the base and 2 is the exponents. 4 square means 4 into 4. Suppose 3q. Here 3 is the base and 3 is the exponents. 3q means multiply 3 times 3 into 3 which is equal to 27. Here this is 16. In this way we can find out the exponents of the rational number also, and there are some rules about the exponents of rational numbers. Here let us discuss about the rules of the rational number, exponents of the rational numbers. Suppose we have to find out 5 upon 7 to the power 3. This means 5 upon 7 is a rational number. 5 upon 3 to the power 3 means 3 is the exponents. 5 upon 7 into 5 upon 7 into 5 upon 7 3 times. Please students, watch the video till end. In this video I will complete the whole chapter of exponents and power. Still then, if you have any doubt, then please ask me in my comment box. I promise to clear your all doubts. Okay. Then let us discuss about some properties of exponents of the rational number. Here the 5 upon 7 to the power 3 means 5 upon 7 into 5 upon 7 into 5 upon 7. This means 5 into 5 into 5 upon 7 into 7 into 7, which is equal to 5 to the power 3 upon 7 to the power 3. Then let us discuss the first property of exponents. Suppose p by q. I have already told you the rational number can be represented in p by q form where q is not equal to 0. Here the rational number p by q. Suppose p by q to the power m. This means we multiply p by q into p by q into p by q. How many times? M times. This means this is p to the power m upon q to the power m. Then the property 1 says, p by q to the power m means which is equal to p to the power m upon q to the power n. This is the property 1 says. Then let us solve some examples. I have already told you only knowing formula is not sufficient. Please practice variety of questions. Suppose here the question is given minus 144 upon 169. Express it as the exponential form. Take minus out. This is 144 upon 169. Then 144 can be written as 12 square. 169 can be written as 13 square, which they take the minus sign outside. Then here take the minus sign outside. This is 12 upon 13 to the power whole square. Okay. Then suppose a question is given 8 upon 125. Express it as in the exponential form. 8 can be written as 2 to the power q and 125 can be written as 5 to the power q. This can be written as 2 upon 5 to the power q. This is the exponential form and this is in the normal rational number form. Okay. Then here let us discuss about some more properties. P by q to the power m means Reciprocal of p by q to the power m is equal to reciprocal of p by q to the power m is equal to q by p to the power m, or p by q to the power minus m. The exponents can be written in the negative form. Okay. Then another thing, suppose x to the, then this is property 2. Then property 3 says x to the power 0 is always 1. The x may be any value, x may be for any value of x. When the exponents is 0, then its value is 1. Suppose the number is given minus 4 upon 7 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Suppose 10 lakh, then to the power 0, which is also 1. Any number when the exponents is 0, then the value is 1. Okay. Then let us discuss some more properties. Here I have told you students, in this video I will discuss whole chapter. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Suppose you have to find out, given the minus 8 upon 13 to the power 99, find the reciprocal of this rational number. Then how can you find out? Then this can be written as minus the reciprocal of minus 8 upon 13 to the power 99 can be written. The reciprocal is this, or minus 8 upon 13 to the power minus 99. This is also reciprocal of this. Suppose you have given 5 to the power 3. You have to find out reciprocal of 5 to the power 3. You can write 1 upon 5 to the power q. This is also reciprocal of this. Or 5 to the power minus 3 is also reciprocal of 5 to the power 3. Then next, some more properties. Here another property says, suppose you have same base x to the power a into x to the power b. When the base is same, then the exponents, and in case of multiplications, the exponents get added. This is equal to x to the power a plus b. Suppose you have given, taking some examples. I have already told you students, always practice. Only knowing formula is not sufficient. Suppose this is given 2 to the power 2 upon 3 to the power 3 into 2 upon 3 to the power 5. Then here there is multiplication sign and the base is same, 2 by 3. Then as you know that in case of multiplications, the exponents get added. Then this is equal to 2 upon 3 into 2 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 2 upon 3 to the power 10. Okay. Then next property. Please students, you do your worksheets with me, revise your whole syllabus, whole book, and ask me your doubt. Here another questions. Please solve some more examples, some more questions. In case of divisions, suppose x to the power m divide x to the power n. When you divide, then what happened with the exponents? The exponents get subtracted, which is equal to x to the power m minus n. Suppose you have given, this is property 4. Suppose you have given an example, 3 to the power 5 divide 3 to the power 2. This is equal to, as you know, in case of divisions, exponents get subtracted, which is equal to 3 to the power 5 minus 2, which is 3 to the power 3, which is equal to 27. Otherwise, you will look at here, 3 to the power 5 divide 3 to the power 2. This means 3 to the power 5 upon 3 to the power 2. Then 3 to the power 5 means multiply 3 5 times. You know. Then here 3 to the power 2 means multiply 3 2 times. Cancel. Then what is remain here? 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 to the power 3. This is equal to 27. Hence, you prove the property 4. Suppose there is division and same base, then the exponents get subtracted. Then here you practice some more examples. Please students, do your worksheet properly and ask me your doubt. Here another examples. Here the example says, suppose 1 upon 4 to the power 8 divide with 1 upon 4 to the power 6. Here this is division. You know, when in case of divisions, exponents get subtracted. Then you get 1 upon 4 to the power 2. This means 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 16. Okay. Then here evaluate means find the value. Here the question is given 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5 divide 2 to the power 7. Inside the bracket there is multiplication sign. You know, in case of multiplication, exponents get added. Then divide 2 to the power 7. Then you get 2 to the power 9 divide 2 to the power 7. You know, in case of division, exponents get subtracted, which is equal to 2 to the power 9 minus 7, which is equal to 2 to the power 2 means 4. Okay. This is the answer. Then think some more examples. Then another examples. Here another example says, please students practice variety of questions. Variety of questions will be helpful for you in the exam hall. 3 to the power 4 divide 3 to the power 7 to the power 6. Here in case of divisions, I have already told you, when the base is same, you subtract the exponents. This is 4 minus 6, which is equal to 3 upon 4 to the power minus 2. I have already told you, when the exponents is minus, means we can make the exponents positives, we take the reciprocal. This is 4 upon 3 to the power 2. Okay. Then here discuss some more property. Here another properties I have already told you, x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then solve some examples. Suppose the question is given x to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 0. Then what happened? X to the power 0 1, 4 to the power 1 plus 5 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 0 1. This is 3 into 1, which equal to 3. This is the answer. Then here let us discuss another property, property 6. Another property 6 says x to the power m whole n. Here in this case we get the exponents get multiplied. This is x to the power m into n. Then let us solve some examples. I have already told you, only knowing formula is not sufficient. Keep the formula here and let us solve some examples based in this formula. Then look at here. Suppose given 2 upon 5 to the power 3 whole 2. In this case I have already told you, exponents gets multiplied. Then this is 2 upon 5 in 3 into 2. This is 2 upon 5 to the power 6. 2 upon 5 to the power 6 means 2 upon 5 into 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 2 upon 5. Multiply and get the answer. Okay. Then by applying this, sometimes we have to find out the value of x. I have already told you, please practice variety of questions. Here the question says find the value of x. Here in the LHS the question is given 2 upon 5 to the power 3 and whole to the power 2, which is equal to 2 upon 5 to the power 2x. Here you have to find out the value of x. As you know that by applying the exponents for property, then in this case the exponents get multiplied. Then this is 2 upon 5 to the power 3 into 2. In RHS you get 2 upon 5 to the power 2x. Then in LHS you get 2 upon 5 to the power 6, which is equal to 2 upon 5 to the power 2x. As the base are same, equating the exponents, we get 2x equal to 6, means x equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3. Then in this way we can find out the value of x. Then another property says, suppose the base is different. X to the power a into y to the power a. Here the same exponents but base are different. In this case, x into y to the power a. This is xy to the power a. Let us solve some examples based in the formula. Keep the formula here. This is the formula and solve some examples. Look at here. Suppose the question is given 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. This can be written as 2 into 3. Here the base is different but the exponent is same. This is equal to 3 to the power 3. Look at here. Let us prove. 2 to the power 3 means 8. 3 to the power 3 means 27. When we multiply 27 into 8, what do we get? 56. Then this is 216. In this case, 6 into 6 into 6. 36, 6 are 216. Okay, you get this means this is the property of the exponents when the base are different but exponents is same. In this case we can apply this formula. Okay, then let us discuss some more examples and some more properties. How can you find out the reciprocal of an exponents? Let us solve some more examples also. Here the question says 5 upon evaluate the value 5 upon 7 to the power 3 into 2 minus 6. As you know that d mass, here in this case at first you multiply 6 minus 6. This is 5 upon 7 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Okay. Then let us solve some more examples. I have already told you students, maths need practice. Here another question says 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 7 square divide 1 upon 7 to the power 3. Then evaluate. This is equal to, as you know that in case of multiplications the exponents get added 1 to 1 plus 2, then divide 1 upon 7. This can be written as in this form because I have already told you p upon q to the power m is equal to p to the power m upon q to the power m. Then here you get 1 upon 7 to the power 3 divide 1 upon 7 to the power 3. In case of divisions, I have already told you the exponents get subtracted. Then 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 upon 7 to the power 0 means the answer is 1. Okay. Then here, if this is true, let us, this question is asked either this is true or false. The question is 5 plus 5 to the power 5 is equal to 5 to the power 5 plus 5 to the power 5. Is this true or false? 5 plus 5 to the power 5 means 10 to the power 5. Okay. Which is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which is equal to 1. This is the answer. But in RHS, 5 to the power 5 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 plus 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. These is not equal. We cannot get the same answer. Okay. Then let us solve. Then let us think some more properties of exponents. Let us think some more properties of exponents. Suppose I have already told you the property, the x to the power minus m, which is equal to x to the power m. Suppose 5 to the power minus 3, which is equal to 1 upon 5 to the power 3. This is reciprocal of the rational number. Suppose you have given 2 by 3 to the power minus 4, which is equal to 3 by 2 to the power 4. In case of negative exponents, you cannot find the value. At first, convert the negative exponents into positive exponents and find the value. Let us solve some examples. Here the example says 3 upon 4 to the power minus 2. In this case, as the exponent is negative, we cannot find the value. Then to make the exponents positive, take the reciprocal. This is 4 upon 3 to the power 2. Then very easily we can find out its value. This is 16 upon 9. Okay. Then this is 16 upon 9. Let us simplify some more questions. Here the question says, let us practice variety of questions. Here the question says 3 upon 5 to the power 4 into 3 upon 5 to the power 4. This is minus 4, this is plus 4, plus 1 upon 4 to the power 5 into 1 upon 4 to the power minus 5. Let us discuss here. In this case, multiplications, you know the exponents get added. This is 3 upon 5 minus 4 plus 4 plus this is 1 upon 4 plus 5 minus 5, which is equal to 3 upon 5 to the power 0 plus 1 upon 4 to the power 0. Then as you know that x to the power 0 always 1. This is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. 2 is the answer of the questions. Okay. Then let us some other variety of questions. I have already told you in this video I will cover your whole syllabus of exponents. If you have any doubt, students, please revise with me and ask me your doubt. Here the question is given p by q is given 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 divide 3 by 4 to the power 0. Then to find the value of p by q to the power minus 2. Then let us take here the p upon q is equal to 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 divide 3 by 4 to the power 0. Here 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. I have already told you, students, in case of negative exponents we cannot find the value. Take the reciprocal and make the exponents positive. This is 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 means this is 3 by 2 to the power 3 divide 3 by 4 to the power 0 means 1. X to the power 0 always 1. This is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, which is equal to 27 upon 8. We find out the value of p by q is 27 upon 8. But we have to find out the value of p by q to the power minus 2. This means we have to find out 27 upon 8 to the power minus 2. I have already told you in case of negative exponents you cannot find the value. At first, to make the exponent positive, take the reciprocal. This is 8 upon 27 to the power 2. Then very easily by multiplying this we can find out its value. Okay. Then this is equal to 64 upon 729. Okay. Then Then you students, please do your exercises. Here another examples. Suppose here question is given 4 to the power 5 divide 4 to the power 8 into 64. Here the in case of division the exponents get subtracted. Then here 5 minus 8 into 64. You can write 64 as 4 to the power 3. 64 can be written as 4 to the power 3. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. Then here 4 to the power 5 minus 8 means 4 to the power minus 3 into 4 to the power 3. In case of multiplications, exponents get added. This is minus 3 plus 3, which is means 4 to the power 0. The answer is 1. Here you get the answer is 1. Okay. Then let us solve another questions. Let us solve another questions. Here the question says find the value of x. Here the question says find the value of x. In the LHS the question is given 9 upon 4 to the power 3 into 8 upon 9 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 6x. Look at here students. When in the RHS the base is 2, but in LHS the base is different. At first when we compare the exponents, we have to make the same base. To make the same base, here 9 upon 4 to the power 4, 3 means open it, 9 upon 4 into 9 upon 4 into 9 upon 4. 8 upon 9 can be written 8 upon 9 into 8 upon 9 into 8 upon 9, which is equal to 2 to the power 6x. Then here 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2. Then in LHS you get 2 to the power 3 and in RHS you get 2 to the power 6x. Then as the base is same, comparing the exponent 6x is equal to 3 means x equal to 3 upon 6, which is equal to 1 upon 2. We can find the value of x as 1 upon 2. Okay. Then here students, please you do your whole exercises. I have discussed all the properties of exponents. Let us summarize all the properties. At first I have told you the property 1 says p by q to the power m is equal to p to the power m upon q to the power m. The property 2 says x to the power m. The property 2 says x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. Then the property 3 says x to the power m divide x to the power n equal to x to the power m minus n. Then the property 4 says x to the power 0 is always 1. X may be any value. Then the property 5 says x to the power m whole n is equal to x to the power m into n x to the power mn. Then the property 6 says when the exponent is same but base is different, then this means this is a into b to the power 3. Otherwise we can write if x to the power a into y to the power a, which is equal to x into y to the power a. Then the property 7 says x to the power minus m means this is to make the exponents positive, take the reciprocal, which is equal to 1 upon x to the power m. Then property 8 says x into y to the power m. This means x to the power m into y to the power m. Then another property says Another property 9 says, suppose x upon y to the power m which is equal to x to the power m divide y to the power m. Okay, in this is the summary of the exponents, properties of exponents. Students, please do your exercises regularly and ask me your doubt. I am ever ready to clear your all doubts. Till then, happy learning.